What's up guys, and welcome back to another video, and welcome back to the garage. Today is a little bit different. We are going to do an unboxing video, so let's jump into it. So a couple of weeks ago I got contacted by a company that's named DNACollectibles that make model cars. So huge shout out to DNACollectibles. I will have a link in the description to their products, and this is just one of them. So let's start to open this. For me it's all about presentation and the boxing, and this is really nice. I love how they make the tape like lined up super perfect. Comes like in a dust bag. I don't know if you can see. Got the logo on it, which is really nice. Seems like a really high quality fabric. Oh, this is nice. It says this bag can be used to clean your beloved model. So this is like a cleaning rag for the model as well. It's a box in the box, that's nice. Oh, so here's the roof. Damn, this is really nice. Packaging is super good, it's well protected, and it comes on this one of these acrylic plates. Maybe I should. Oh, it's. So every one of these models came with a unique chassis ID. As you can see, 178 is mine. I think this is made in, I think it's 320 of these available. You can see all the details. Slotted rotors, exactly as the original Viggen. And the detail of everything is insane. Really nice. Let me show you real quickly what they have on their site, so you get a little glimpse of what they are working with. Happy that I got my hands on one of these, and that it has a chassis ID. It's really awesome. It's truly a collectible, and as you might see from the website, a Turbo X is coming, which I think is amazing and a lot of people would like to have in their collection up on the shelf. And I think it's awesome that they do Saab cars as well, because it's pretty rare. So I hope you guys continue with this great work that you are doing, and I hope you, the subscribers, go cop one of these. It's really nice to add to your collection, and if you don't have any collection, this might be your first. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned for more. Bye!